Hello? Hello, Mrs. Young. This is Mrs. Xu. Hello, Mrs. Xu. How are you today? I am fine. How are you? I am well. The chocolate cake you made on Saturday was delicious. Oh, thank you. Do you have the recipe? Yes, I do. Would you like to know the recipe? Yes, it is my son's birthday tomorrow, and I would like to make a chocolate cake for him. Oh, that's wonderful. Hold on. Let me find the recipe for you. Okay. I found it. Excellent. Let me get a pen and a piece of paper to write down the instructions. Okay, so you will need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, and a half cup of milk. Is that all? Yes, you can combine all the ingredients in a bowl and bake it for 1 hour. And what do you use for the icing? You can buy some chocolate frosting from the grocery store and put it on the cake when it is finished. Oh, okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Let me know how the cake turns out when you are finished. Yes, I will. Bye.